A beautiful morning to you. This is Ron Janish, and I just want to check on something here real quick. Yeah, that's all working good. Okay. Uh, Today is the 8th of November, Election Day. Yay. The market's been open for about a half hour in New York, the stock market that is. And here you can see the ES chart. And yeah, lo and behold, we're still, in order for this pattern to play out, it would have to go to the downside to complete. It would have to go to the downside to at least this line here and maybe to a line much further down. But that may not happen. Markets surprise you and do all kinds of interesting things. Here's what we are looking at. And if you are a course member, please pay attention here. What we have is this is an hourly chart. Okay. And one of the things I really like to see is early morning making its low for the day or high for the day and then reversing. And this is quite possible here, but we don't know yet. And one of the things that I also like to see is something we call an R2P. And if you look at some historical data going back to, let's say the 25th and the 27th of October, you could probably draw one in here. So that would give you a reason to watch for support in this area here, which would take things up for a Hillary win. Otherwise, if things do come down, then it might be a Trump win. I don't know. But the initial target is in this area here, and then it's further, further, further. So let's just for grins draw this one here with this high. Yeah, see, it's still down below where we are here. So the minimum target is down here to complete this pattern if it's a perfect pattern, all that good stuff. So let's see what else is going on. Okay, last week I made a video on Friday and I mentioned being long, and you saw that I had a long position in the Canadian dollar. Let's see what's going on there. Boom. Still the same long position. Okay, and if you draw your daily median lines, let's get rid of this one here. Just go low, high, low, low. You see that the price has gone above the median line and is kind of hanging out there above it. Okay, and we have not changed position. If you go back in the other video, you'll see that this is where we bought. Let's see, 74.57, which would be about here. Okay, so let's see, what else did I mention last week? I also mentioned cotton. Yeah, here I am, long cotton, and this is a daily chart. Okay, and this is just what it's doing. And maybe this will work out, maybe not. Really don't know. This is all based on probability. So if we can get some good high probability moves, then that's to our benefit. So what's new? Well, yesterday we were in the Andrews group. We discussed one particular item, and this is the Advanced Andrews group for people who've taken the course, spent the money, all that good stuff. You just go to advancedandrews.com. Where you go there? No, andrewscourse.com. If you don't remember that, just go to Babson Course or Babson Trading. It'll get you there. And what we discussed in the private email group is a position that I put on this morning. So, and that was the only one we discussed. And if you want to get a free subscription to the non-private email group, the one that goes to the public. That's the Precision Trader group, and just go to babsontrading.com or andrewscourse.com, and it'll say, there's usually a link there. You click on it and it says the word subscribe. It'll pop that into your email. Then off it goes to the Yahoo groups people, and they'll say your thing to you that yes, you really want it, and stuff like that. We make sure that you don't get a bunch of Viagra junk and stuff like that in there. It's a very private group. And if you want to make a comment or ask a question, you can do that in there. One of the benefits of being in that group and being in the Private Andrews group is that you get notified when a new video comes out that's available to the public. So if you want the free videos that are available to the public, just join the Precision Trader group, and then now that's free, and we let everybody know after we make another video. Okay, so let's see, what else? What did we discuss yesterday? Let's take a look. Boom. Wheat. And so I wound up buying some this morning for $12.25. I guess that's about here. Okay, how do I get that number? Here you go, $412.25. Okay. So, and the thinking is that this has a lot more time to go to the upside. So we'll see what happens. Right? And if you look at wheat on the longer term, you'd see that this was in one heck of a downtrend. So this up move, if this downtrend is to continue, isn't going to be all that long. It might just be up a little ways and then down we go again. Okay, so I really don't know that right now. I'll have to wait and see. And let's just quick look back in good old ES. This is one where I do not have a position. And you can see on the hourly charts, it just went down to the ML and stopped, and maybe it'll keep on going and maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. Anyhow, I thank you for your time. Get a chance. If you haven't taken the Andrews course, please do. Go to andrewscourse.com. Want to see more videos? Go to babsontrading.com. They're right on the bottom of the front page. Enjoy. Anyway, if you have some questions, give me a buzz and just send it to me through the Precision Trader group, or send it to support@andrewscourse.com, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So I thank you for your time. See you next time.